students, we are starting with new unit, Unit 3, lesson number 3.1. It can be done. It can be done means if you want to try something and you have to do it, so you can try that. So you have to be confident about that the things which you are going to do, that things can be done. So we are starting with our poem. The man who misses all the funs is he who says it can't be done. Now here is a one man who says that we can't enjoy all the funs, and he is ready to misses all the funs, means he don't want to enjoy any moments or happiness, and he just leave that happiness, means he misses that things, and then he tells it cannot be done. If you are not trying, so how you can say it can't be done? Second paragraph. In solemnly pride he stands aloof and greets each ventures with reproof. Solemnly pride means serious, very serious. Aloof means separately. Greets means invite, and ventures, adventures. Reproof means negative comment. Now in this paragraph, the man who don't want to enjoy any funs, where expression means always give expressions of seriousness and stand away separately, and he is not ready to greet any adventures, means now sometimes we try to do something new, we want to try something new, it may be adventures, any new places, any new things, or any new places. And reproof means negative commands, means he is not ready to do something, but if someone is ready to do, so what he do, he separately first of all stands there, and then he starts giving a negative comment on that thing. Third paragraph. Hath he the power, he offends. Offense means adventures, the history of the human race. Now what happened here in this paragraph? First of all, he would happily erase, means he will try to erase all the things, means sometimes people says that man is doing or that woman is doing the brainwash of the person, means what we want to do, but he is telling us like that you don't do this thing, it will happen like that, and he is making us to erase what we want to do. So he is in that state of kind that he self don't want to do, but he is not giving other person to do also. So he is means trying to erase the human race, means what we want to do, he is trying to erase and delete all the things, because he self don't wants to do, that's why. Fourth para. We have no radios or motor cars, no street lights by electric stars. Now earlier time, means olden time, there was no radio or motor car, no street lights, means there were no lights on the road, but how we used to walk on the road? By seeing the electric star. So no telegraph, no telephone, we lingered in the age of stone. Now even earlier time there was no telegrams or not a telephone, so we even can't call each other, or we can't even write a letter to each other to ask about how that person is, but we lingered, means we stayed in this age of stone age, lingered, then too we survived our life. Our olden people, our grandparents, they lived their life, right? So what he is trying to say, he wants to delete all that things. Last para. The world would sleep if things were run by man who says it can't be done. Now writer what he is telling, if our world will listen to such kinds of people, then our world will get stopped there only, because such people will make us sleep, means our world will totally get into the sleep, and no one will be ready to do anything in their life. They will just keep on telling that I can't do. So don't listen to such people, because such people are very lazy, they self also don't do anything, and they will not give another person to do also. So that's why don't say that it can't be done. Instead of that, say it can be done, and we will try to do that things. Hope my dear students you are getting what I mean to tell, means I am telling you that whatever things you want to do, tell it that it can be done, I will do it. Don't say that I can't do it. Say, I will do it, I can do it, and it can be done by your confidence. Writer is anonymous, means unknown writer. He has not given his name, but he is an unknown man who has wrote this poem. It can be done. Thank you, students.